In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this seafood okra soup. Let's get right into it. These are all the ingredients that we'll be using for the seafood okra. Now, it's not an entirely complete variety of seafood, but we have the main things, don't we? So all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. Let's get right into the video. The protein that need to be pre-cooked because of how long it takes, I've already pre-cooked them, like the snail. So if you're adding any other thing that needs to be pre-cooked before it goes into the soup and stuff, you can pre-cook that as well. The first thing I'm going to do is grate the okra. I'll be using the small side for like the extra smooth one, and then the big part for the chunky bits that I want to see. If you like even more chunky, then you can just use your knife to slice it up instead. But we need the really smooth one to help the soup really draw and stretch. Make sure you don't cut off the head because that's what you use to hold it while you're grating. I'm just bending it this way so you can see. So this is one I've grated with this slim part, and you can see it's smooth. I will now use this part to grate the rest. Okay. So here we have it, the smooth one and the chunky one. I'm going to preheat my pot. So I'll go in with my palm oil to slightly bleach it, very slightly. I'll cover it to prevent the smoke from coming out too much. Ooh, this pot is so pretty. So because I'm bleaching it a bit, I don't want the smoke to escape from anywhere, so I don't start coughing. So I'll just cover this hole as well. I'll leave it on for just about 1 minute. I'm not trying to over bleach it here. My 1 minute, I did 1 minute 30 seconds. I'll turn it off now. If I open it immediately, the smoke is just going to go everywhere, right? So I'll just let it cool down completely and then switch it back on. So this way I prevent the smoke alarm from going off or any form of drama from happening in the kitchen. So yeah, so leave it off for about 3 minutes and then I'll open it up. Okay. So, we're ready. I will turn the heat back on now and then go in with some pepper and then my protein, basically all the protein that can still cook a bit longer than the prawns. My snail, my Ponmo, my locust beans. Then just stir that up. So I'll let this cook a bit, season it. I'll add some crayfish. I'll save the rest for after. Then stir it up. I might still add the rest of the chopped scotch bonnet, the rolled over. I just don't want it to be too spicy, so let this one cook a bit first. Cover that for a few minutes. So I will now add the rest of the ingredients basically in no particular order. All right, so I'll go in with the stock. I need some more water for my okra to swim in. So I'll add some water. That should be good. So for this fish, I'll just season it with a bit of salt, very little, because fish hugs seasoning really well. So just season that all around and put it straight into the soup. Try not to mix it too much at this point because the fish can scatter. I'm going to add some of this, just a little bit. It's seasoning cube. So cover that up to simmer. Okay, that's cooking really nicely. So I need some more of the scotch bonnet. I'll just put that in. I think that should be enough. All right, so it is all boiled up. I will stir it now. So I'll now go in with the first okra, the smaller one, the one that's finely chopped. This is the rough one, and this is the fine one. I'm changing the spoon now just so I can easily mix it and spread it out. Careful not to scatter your fish. Also, don't use a kind of fish that's going to easily break apart. So I'll just spread it out a little and then let the boiling do the rest of the spreading. Okay, I will now add the shrimp. Because technically, once the okra goes in, the soup is ready. Like, there's nothing else we want to do again. And the prawn. Ooh, give it. And a bit more crayfish. Just a sprinkle over there. It looks so good. Let me see, I'll still add that last one, sha. Okay, cover that up. All right, looking good. So I'll now add some more okra. I don't want to do too much. I feel like it will be too thick. I don't like okra that's way too thick. I used croaker for this. I just filleted it. That's why it looks that way and so exquisite, you know. So nobody needs to worry about bone or any interruption in this soup. Everything is going to go down nice and smooth. All right, I'll just add a bit more crayfish now and let that simmer, and we are done. There we have it. Our seafood okra is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.